These days, our phones are designed to grab our attention with ads, notifications, and endless interruptions. That makes it harder than ever to focus on writing, organizing our daily life. In this video, I'd like to introduce Pocket a tiny, customizable computer built for everyday productivity and creative tinkering based on ESP32. It's designed as a modern, boots in seconds, distraction-free device for writing, organizing your day, building small utilities, and even exploring graphics, music, and standalone application development. Pocket features Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connectivity, a powerful built-in editor and a terminal, audio tools, SCP and SSH support, and integration with Google Drive, AI services such as ChatGPT, and iOS and a web companion app for screencast, clipboard, and file sharing. One of the coolest things about the Pocket is that it runs on MicroPython, so you can write and test your own application directly on the device without needing a PC. Pocket uses USB keyboard as a primary input device. It means you can use any USB keyboard you like. This is the best as a text writing tool. Pocket supports multitasking with up to 10 virtual screens. When you power it on, it starts with 3 screens: the Python interactive shell, the command line shell, and the Home app. The Home app is the screen you see when the device starts up. From there, you can launch applications and configure system settings, including audio settings. Let's launch an editor. To launch the editor, select Launch Apps menu. Then select the app that you want to launch. This time I'll choose the editor. Editor will be launched on the new screen. The editor is called PEM. PEM is an Emacs-inspired editor that is powerful, lightweight, and responsive. It's suitable for all kinds of text editing, including journaling, writing novels, and more. It has strong support for Python and Markdown, so you can also use it to program and develop applications directly on the device. In the Markdown mode, you can create links to open other files. It also supports UTF-8 and Japanese input, which makes it convenient for non-English text editing. PEM editor can open multiple files at the same time. Switching between files are instant. The editor feels very responsive, so even long text file can be edited smoothly without hassle. Let's open a file I created. I'll open home.md, which I use as my start page. This is essentially a file list of the documents I've made. By pressing Alt plus period, I can jump to the link. In this case, I navigated to journal.md, which is my main journal file. My preferred workflow is to keep a single long journal file and append entries to it over the course of 1 or 2 months. Next, I launch an app called Journal. This app reads my Markdown journal file and turn it to charts like the one shown here. The top chart shows daily activities such as surfing, running, and working out. The graph below shows the values I record every day, such as wake up time and weight. If you configure an OpenAI API key, you can also ask ChatGPT questions. It supports to put files, images, and even voice mode and agent mode. So you can ask it to review your journal, summarize the past couple of months, suggest improvements, or programming with agent mode. Agent mode grants AI to change file, iterate operations. Standalone speech-to-text app is also available. So you can record meetings with voice recorder app and convert the recording to text later. There are also several ways to transfer files to and from another computer or cloud service. You can sync files with Google Drive, use SCP or use iOS and web companion application. Pocket Deck is not just a writing device. It also gives you a surprisingly capable creative playground for visual and sound. It includes highly optimized 2D and 3D graphics libraries, along with a powerful audio engine designed for MicroPython. So you can build interactive interfaces, generative visuals, games, and music tools directly on the device. The graphics system is fast and lightweight, making it possible to render shapes, polygons, and other visual elements smoothly. On the audio side, Pocket Deck supports sample playback, wavetable synthesis, streaming, and real-time effects such as echo, filters, compression, delay, and reverb. Together, these tools make Pocket Deck a flexible environment for creative coding, whether you want to experiment with graphics, compose music, or build your own interactive applications. Pocket Deck can also play music with its offline music player. It has strong support for SCP and SSH, so you can log into a Linux machine and even launch them remotely or push Git repository to GitHub. That's the summary of Pocket Deck. This is a great text writing device with a lot of possibility. I hope you like it. Thanks.